At Muhlenberg, our students are going places. A Muhlenberg education is a journey, a pathway that leads you from exploration to experience to expertise. The core of a Muhlenberg education is built on content areas that span disciplines, allowing your curiosity and creativity to take the lead. When you're ready, choose from a variety of majors and minors in the humanities, the arts, the sciences, and the social sciences. As you learn, you'll be required to apply your knowledge. You may choose to pursue undergraduate research, to complete a resume-building internship, or to study in another country. At Muhlenberg, your educational journey will take you beyond the classroom, guaranteed. Muhlenberg graduates have always been driven to make an impact. You'll be better equipped than ever to harness your potential on a pathway that's right for you.